All right, it's time for the quick twisted German cast on right-handed. We're going to put a loop around the end of the needle, give it a twist, and insert my thumb and forefinger, my left thumb and forefinger, through between the two yarns. Make sure that twist is there. This is the same as a long tail cast on, except that in this instance we go around the loop that's around my thumb, through from the top, grab the yarn that's coming off my index finger, and then back out and tighten. So around the loop that's around my thumb, down from the top through it, grab the yarn that's coming off my index finger, and then back out through that loop, following the pathway. So around, through, grab the finger off, grab the yarn off my index finger, and then back out through that loop. This gives for a little bit extra flourish on the cast on and a little firmer edge.